Source of blood, stomach and gastric content. Bleeding, gastric bleeding is chocolate colored due to presence of acid hematin and is acidic in nature. Nasal bleeding has blood mixed with the mucus and hair. Hemoptysis results into bright red being oxygenated in lungs and frothy due to churning effect with inspired and expired air and is alkaline in nature. Menstrual blood is dark colored, foul smelling fluid blood, often with endometrial debris plus or minus vaginal epithelial cells and is acidic in nature. Blood from abortion is a dark clot. Blood is endometrial and placenta debris with the fetal remains. What is the sex of the individual? Sexing of the blood stain by the Leishman staining. Next is a blood group identification of the stain. Screening test for a blood stain, screening test for blood stain are actually color test, that is specific color is formed in this test. Principle of color test is based upon the presence of enzyme peroxidase in RBC. Peroxidase in RBC. Peroxidase present in RBC alone. Present in RBC acts on a hydrogen peroxide used in test to liberate oxygen, which act on the reagent to change its color to blue. Actually, it is the hemoglobin part of RBC which acts as a peroxidase in the presence of oxygen, and it catalyzes the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into oxygen plus water. This liberated oxygen acts on the reagent to change its color to blue. That is, the liberated oxygen oxidizes the colorless agent, colorless base to colored agent, colored salt. We can say that the released oxygen acts on the colorless reagent to change its color to blue. Peroxidase activity is a common property of all hemoprotein, for example, hemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochromin, granulase and monocytes, and catalyze liver and kidney. Thank you.